In this JavaScript Part 5 video, we will explore object-oriented programming in JavaScript by Amatip IT. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that focuses on using objects to structure code. One of the main concepts in object-oriented programming is the class. A class is a blueprint for creating objects with similar properties and methods. To create a class in JavaScript, we use the class keyword followed by the class name. Inside the class, we can define properties and methods that the objects created from this class will have. To create an object from a class, we use the new keyword followed by the class name and parentheses. We can assign the object to a variable for further use. Properties are the characteristics or attributes of an object. We can create properties inside the constructor method, which is a special method used to initialize objects. Methods are functions that belong to an object and can perform actions or calculate values. We can create methods inside the class, outside the constructor method. To access properties and methods of an object, we use the dot notation. This keyword refers to the current object and is used to access its properties and methods from inside the class. We can also add static methods to a class, which are methods that are directly accessed from the class itself. Inheritance is another important concept in object-oriented programming. It allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. The extends keyword is used to indicate that a class is inheriting from another class. The super keyword is used inside the constructor method of the child class to call the constructor of the parent class. We can also override methods from the parent class in the child class by defining a method with the same name. There are other advanced topics in object-oriented programming, such as polymorphism and encapsulation. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of the same class. Encapsulation helps to hide the internal details of an object and only expose necessary data and methods. Understanding object-oriented programming in JavaScript is crucial for building complex applications. By following the principles of object-oriented programming, we can write more organized and maintainable code. Stay tuned for more tutorials on JavaScript and programming concepts by Amatip IT.